Hi guys, I'm Asif Ali and watching CGHOW video. Today I created this jumping effect with actually this dust effect for this jumping character and I will create it from scratch. So let's start this. So I have downloaded this animation and with this character from Mixamo.com, this jumping character. So I have already downloaded it and I'll just import it from the download folder. All the assets imported and this is our animation. Cool. We can directly put it here into the viewport and see we need a mesh to place here. So I'll just take a cube. So I have placed this cube and now we can see that animation and this animation loop. So let me make this bigger and make the light little darker. With this much. Yeah, actually I want like this. Yeah. Okay, so I want to make some dust effect here. You can also use sequencer, but in this case, I'll just put the effects directly in the animation. So if you open this animation, you can directly add the effects here at this timeline. So at this point, we need some dust here. Okay, so let's do that. So I'll create a new folder here, effects. And let me save this map also in the jump folder, map. Okay, and now I'll just right click and make a smoke dust texture, dust material. You can use sub UV if you have, but I'll use just a noise texture in this case. So if I'll type the noise and search the textures, I have lots of noise. So this blurred noise I will take. Okay,